So y'all, back at it, like crack at it, another one. Hope y'all having a beautiful, blessed day. Like always, hope y'all getting out in nature, meditating, eating right, being healthy, doing your thing, right? That's the most important thing. Personal development, personal self-care, that's the most important thing. Alright, now let's get to it. What is this video about? This one is about positive thinking and how positive thinking can actually change your life. And it's not pseudoscience. It's not a placebo effect. Positive thinking literally can change your life, bro. And I'm being for real because it's like this. I meditate, I eat right, I do all these things. I meditate, I eat right, I do all these things, right? But the number one thing that has changed my life the most is positive thinking. Positive thinking, talking good to myself. You know what I'm saying? So when we get to the subconscious mind, your beliefs create your reality, right? So if you have a belief about somebody, that somebody's an evil type of person, or if somebody's a bad type of person, you will see more of a reflection. You will see more of a reflection of those characteristics within that person. So based off this concept, you have to realize that positive thinking and positive self-talk can really change your life. And that's why I don't do self-deprecation jokes, or at least I just don't do them often, right? Because it's a slippery slope. Because you say one thing and then you lead to another thing, and then you say another thing and you lead to another thing. You'd be surprised how quickly that can lead to depression. And one day, a week ago, you was feeling fine, but now since you're on this slippery slope of self-deprecation jokes, and you say that they're jokes, but they're not. The mind is neutral, okay? It doesn't dictate what's a joke, what's real, and what's fake. That's why people say we live in a matrix, we live in an illusion. It doesn't know what's real and what's fake. That's why dreams feel so well. When you're in a dream and you're not lucid dreaming, it feels real, it looks real, everything seems real. Sometimes people feel pain in their dreams. That's why when you watch something like, when you watch a horror movie or something and somebody gets stabbed or somebody gets killed, you're like, ouch, that hurt. Because the mind doesn't know what's real and what's fake. I can show you a video of somebody's toe getting like cut in half or some shit like that, or somebody getting injured, and you're gonna feel the pain. You're not gonna feel the pain, but you're gonna be like, ouch. You're gonna be like, ouch. You know what I'm saying? Because the mind doesn't know what's real and fake. So how does this relate? So this relates to thinking positively and talking positively and trying to eliminate the negative things within your subconscious mind. Once you start talking positively, it will enhance your inner being. Instead of your mind going to that negative place all the time, your mind will start going to that positive place, and it will change your subconscious. Say for example, you drop your phone. Now, another person would be like, fuck, I dropped my phone. And that's negative thinking. They'd be like, I'm a dumbass. They'll give themselves attributes, or they'll start giving themselves attributes or traits that are very negative, okay? So they'll say something like, I'm a dumbass, I'm stupid, I'm retarded, I'm all this, right? Instead of doing that, how about you look at it in a positive way? Because you can look at anything in a positive way, and that's on God. You can look at anything in a positive way. I'm being for real. So you dropped your phone and it cracked, oh no. You can look at it as, well, I dropped my phone. But you know what? Since I dropped my phone, that really shows me how much I care about my phone. You feel what I'm saying? You get where I'm going with this? I dropped my phone, so that shows me how much I care about my phone. And you know what? This is a lesson that I should take better care of my phone. Because, maybe next time it might break. Thank God it didn't break. Thank God it didn't break, man. Thank my higher self thank the universe that my phone didn't break. And I appreciate the universe for giving me a phone and for giving me these attributes and these resources. And now I have the attribute of being more responsible, because next time I won't drop my phone. I will be more careful with it, because now I appreciate my phone more. You see how those two responses are completely different, and now it affects the rest of your day. So now, yeah, you dropped your phone and it cracked, but now you're in a good mood and shit. And that good mood can lead to other things and other opportunities. This is how you create a good life. This is how you create a happy, beautiful life, okay? Because you don't know what other opportunities can lead throughout that entire day. Just because you had that one positive moment, that one moment could have ruined your day, or it could have made your day, right? But you decided to make it your day. You decided to look at it in a positive aspect, and now it's feeding into the rest of your day. So say you go to work just because of that positive moment. You go into work and your boss is talking to you, and you upright, you're talking nice, you make good eye contact, you own it, right? You're on it, and you're doing really well at work. And because now he's noticing that, he gives you a promotion, he gives you a raise or some shit like that. But think about it. If you thought negatively about the phone situation, you go into work, you lazy, you got a lot of attitude, you're all this, you're all this stuff. And your boss is like, damn, fuck this nigga. I was about to give him a raise. Today was the day that I was actually, about to respect him I was about to commemorate him for his hard work. But today he just offered today, so I'm not about to do that. You never know. You never know what's gonna happen through the rest of your day. So that's why you need to think positively. You need to talk positively to yourself. And this goes into affirmations, because like how I said, man, I meditate, I read, I motherfucking eat right, I do semen retention, I do all this shit. But the number one thing that has changed my life is positive thinking and affirmations. So when you wake up in the morning, you know what you say to yourself? Instead of getting on your phone, looking at Instagram, looking at people who you think have it better than you and all this other stuff, and being down on yourself, instead, you wake up and you just like, man, I love my life. I love my life. I'm so abundant. I'm so free. I'm so beautiful. And you say these things over and over and over and over again every day, because as it compounds, because you say it once, it's going, you don't feel good for the day, but you only said it once. You say it morning and you say it night, and you do that for 30 days, bro. Oh my God, your life is going to change. I'm being for real. Words are like spells. That's why you spell a word, right? It's not bullshit, right? That's how it is. You know what I'm saying? You spell a word. So words are spells. You cast a word, And when you say something to somebody, and especially when you say something to yourself, it has a vibration. Now it can vibrate highly, or it can vibrate lowly. It can vibrate, in heaven, or it can vibrate in hell. Because heaven and hell is just a state of the mind. So you can talk positively to yourself, and you can be living in heaven. And somebody can talk negatively to themselves, and they can be living in hell. It's all just a state of the mind. And it's all just a choice. Okay, so you have to choose whether you want to live in high vibration, or if you want to live in a negative vibration. It is speak positively, talk positively to yourself. Don't only talk positively to yourself, talk positively to others. And if others aren't talking positively, towards you, then you know what you need to do. Gotta cut them niggas off. Alright? So yeah, live a positive life, okay? Watch them self-deprecation jokes too, because them bitches can be slippery slope. I speak more into the love frequency, because that's the highest vibration you could possibly get. If you speak into the love frequency, you will create more desirable things within your life, okay? So when you're talking to yourself and when you're talking to other people, speak love Okay, say you love things, say you love yourself, because a lot of people just be like, I hate this, I hate that, I hate this, I hate that. Even I do it sometimes. I hate this, I hate that. Even if it's something small, I hate when I hate when my phone goes off in public. I hate this, I hate that. Stop saying hate all the time, okay? Stop saying hate all the time. Start saying I love this, I love that. Appreciate things, bro. You're on this life not to dislike everything. You're on this life to love, to spread love, to be love. That is the only natural vibration. That is the only real emotion, is love. Even hate is a form of love. Tell that somebody is talking negative. If you trying to do something and somebody's like, I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one, man. And you gotta bro, cut that nigga off. Like, cut that nigga off, cut that female off, cut whoever off that you need to be, okay? Because everybody's poor, okay? So when somebody says something, you could choose to accept that belief, or you could choose to deny that belief. But you don't want somebody to just keep saying bogus ass beliefs that you have to keep, rejecting and rejecting, so they don't create a reality. Because if somebody says something to you and you accept that belief, it's gonna create your reality, right? So if somebody says you're ugly, and you like, nigga, I know I'm not ugly. The fuck? You gonna keep walking on your day, you're not gonna think you're ugly. But if somebody says you're ugly, and you think in your head, oh, shit, I am kind of ugly, then that belief's gonna create your reality, and you're gonna think you're ugly. And you might even get a reflection of your life that might say that you're ugly, right? That's why you gotta make affirmations and start telling yourself that you're beautiful. Start telling yourself that you're abundant. Start telling yourself all these things, and you're gonna see how it compounds and how it creates a reality. Bro, I'm telling you. I'll see y'all in the next one. I don't want to take up too much of y'all time, so have a beautiful, blessed day.